excited. Can anyone guess what cookbook it's out of?
Let me give you one hint.
Our new fave.
Our new fave.
It's awesome. So this is a Thai peanut quinoa meatball.
It is.
Served over carrot ribbons. It has a peanut sauce and some chili sauce on top with a little lime wedge.
Boy, we are getting fancy.
This is fancy. It sounds
Very
very, you know what I think scares people sometimes is when they read a recipe, they're like, oh, that's so many ingredients. But when you really start reading a recipe, it's super simple.
Yeah.
It really was super
And plus,
simple.
so we doubled the recipe once again. And so how many meatballs did we get?
About 35, 40? 40?
We're gonna pop them in the freezer, and then we'll just be able to take out what we want to eat for the lunch or dinner that we're having at the time.
So it's a great source of protein, but it is a vegan dish. So you're getting your protein from your quinoa, from your garbanzo beans that are in here, from our natural peanut butter, and it's just a great way to get the protein you need, but not have to get that from meat. So I'm anxious to try this. And then the peanut sauce on top looks really good too. Oh my gosh. It almost tastes like a cookie. It's so good.
It's very rich.
That is so good. Wow.
I need some lime juice.
I mean, that is very rich. Let me have it with a carrot.
And I'm gonna have it with a little chili sauce. You want a little chili sauce?
Thank you.
You like?
I do like chili sauce.
I like chili sauce.
Thank you.
Oops.
There's lots of flavors to combine here.
There's a lot of flavors going on,
Okay.
which I like.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Okay. I don't like carrots. I love it with the carrot. It totally cuts it. I don't know what it does, but it just makes it not as rich of a...
Mm-hmm.
That is so good.
Did
Wow.
you just say you like the carrots?
I like these carrots. So tell us how you made these carrots.
So all I did, I peeled a carrot
Mm-hmm.
and then just started peeling. I did not rotate it. Just kept peeling.
Yeah. And then
Boil-
what?
Put some water on, boiled the water, dropped them in, just blanched them for like maybe 2 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Pulled them out and done.
And this is on the recipe, so we will drop the recipe below. But this is something that I think it's a beautiful presentation.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very healthy meal. I mean, I'm not going to say that my children would maybe be all over this. They'd probably be a little scared. But
Yeah.
I think this is something that both Mark and I would enjoy. And if just a great vegan dish. I'm glad we made extra.
I know, me too. And you could also serve it as an appetizer.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? Just
Do a little bit of side of that.
You could probably just shave the carrots,
Uh-huh.
you know, like thinner,
Uh-huh.
so that when people go to pick up a meatball, they can get a little meatball, a little
Uh-huh.
carrot.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is good.
Okay,
I recommend trying it.
that's it. We love Thai food.
We do love Thai food.
Yeah. So we will drop the recipe, the link to the recipe below. Please hit the big red subscribe button and just stay tuned. And you know what? Cook outside of your box. Try something different.
Yeah. You'd be surprised. Healthy food can taste amazing.
Right. All right.
See ya. All right, I gotta get another bite here with a carrot. Carrot, I know.
I am just.
I know. What's
I don't
wrong
even,
with
I don't
me?
even know who you are
I know.
anymore.